Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Silverado LT double cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7727A. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 6 with a cloth interior, split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. Locking tailgate, backup camera for additional safety, heavy duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, and not only low miles but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. With driver information system, again, only 19,000 miles. Cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphone's Pandora radio app, as of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the materials inside. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.